Instead of following my feelings, instead of following my instincts, I will be making excuses for people, trying to make excuses for them. Why am I doing that? I am not going to make excuses for anybody again. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your baby girl Mama? What's up? New to my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos, and if I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join my amazing family. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. So in today's topic, from the title, you've already known what I'm about to talk. Things we are leaving behind that we are not going to take into this 2022. So number one, I'm going to be sharing with you guys is stop rushing into things. Yes, before you want to make a decision, you have to think deep into it. Some people, they rush things, and that is not good, because if you rush things, the way you rush in it, sometimes it can affect you. You will rush out just the same way you rush in. So stop rushing into things. And the second I'm going to be sharing with you guys is we have to learn how to say no this 2021, and don't feel sorry when you are saying no to people. It's hard time we learn how to say no to people. Yes. And when you are learning how to say no to people, don't feel sorry about it. Yes. No, it's something you cannot do. Just say no and don't feel sorry about it. You have to be straightforward. Yes. And when you are telling them no, you have to give them reason why you cannot do it. Just learn how to say no to people. As simple as that. And I am not going to feel sorry about anything I say no to, because I am that type that whenever I say no to somebody, I feel sorry or feel guilty. Maybe I should have helped and I know that I cannot help, or maybe if I help it will affect me, but I just want to please that person. This 2022, I am not going to be doing that any longer. I am going to learn how to say no when it occurs. I am going to be saying no to what I cannot be able to do. I will stop saying yes to people all the time just to please them. Yes. The next one I'm going to share with you is stop doubting yourself. Believe in yourself. If you have any dream, if you have something you want to do, if you have anything you want to make it to come to reality, stop doubting yourself. Remove any spirit of doubt in you. Believe in yourself. Stop belittling yourself. No. Stop doubting yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it. Believe that you can make it. Focus on yourself. Work on yourself and stop doubting yourself. And the next, stop forcing relationship. If you are in any relationship and you see it's not working out, just move on with your life. Yes, just move on with your life. It's not the end of the world. Friendship is not by force. There are people that are meant to come to your life as a friend and go. They are not meant to stay. It's not everybody that will come as friend and be your friend and remain your friend. Some people are just passing by. So before you accept friends, know the kind of people you accept, and don't force relationship, don't force friendship. Don't force people that don't want to be in your life to stay. Don't force yourself to be in their midst. Don't force yourself to be in people's life. Just keep them away. Keep away from friends that are not ready to keep you as friends. Don't force it. If they don't want you, it's okay. Don't force friendship. Friendship is not by force. Friendship is not a do or die affair. So if they don't want you, it's okay to move on with your life. You know, that is not the end of the world. Think about your future. Work towards your goal. Focus. Think about what you want, your dream, what you want for yourself, and stop forcing friendship. That is not going to lead into anywhere. Stop pleasing people. Stop making them feel very important in your life. Let them know that you can live without them. So guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video. I don't want to make this video too long, but if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. I believe I have come to the end of this video. So see you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.
You